Welcome back to Funky D Star TV News Time. Yes, in this segment, now about the Fulani brother, when be Asari Dokubo. Now him we go talk about today. All of us don't already hear waiting Asari Dokubo don't come out in public, come nyan. As in, say, when be the Asari Dokubo, him don't declare himself as leader of a new Biafran government. Okay? A new Biafran government. So, Asari Dokubo declare himself the leader with Uche Mofo, Emeka Sere, and the other man again, when they mention, see, now only 4 of them go to lead the whole Biafran people. In fact, we go take this, Asari news very shortly because the man is a distractor. Uche Mofo is a distractor. Emeka Sere, all of them. We know all of them a long time ago. We know where una they come from, and we know where una they go. Remember, even FG, even governors, all of them don't blast Asari Dokubo. In fact, if you go through the news, through this Asari Dokubo Tory, because one are Tory, ladies and gentlemen, you will see no single person, like in most of the comment section, when I don't go through, no single person when they support Asari Dokubo and Uche Chukwumofo and Emeka Sere. Look, how somebody will just come out, begin declare himself a leader of one place. The only thing when we know before, we say, now people they choose their own leader. So Asari Dokubo don't turn to Biafran dictator or Niger Delta militant dictator, Niger Delta dictator. We don't know the one when they turn to, because you know if you just stay inside your house, you just come out, come to declare yourself a leader of a government for that matter. Not be leader of a meeting of their so-called government. That is Asari Dokubo and Uche Mofo's government. Now be this one. But we know see na their compound then go they govern. Not be anybody, because nobody send Asari Dokubo message. Biafran people already know who be their leader. And their leader to be the man when God don't ordain, the man when don't receive blessings from all part of Biafran. The man when they don't give the mantle to lead, when be the Ohamadike one, when be Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Now him everybody know as their leader, including Funky D. These people, we know who them be. We know who Uche Chukwumofo be. Because remember, in 2019, he get one video when I watch Uche Mofo. Uche Mofo they speak. I can't they wonder, say, why this man, as he they speak, he know they look camera. I can't make that video. They blast Uche Mofo. They ask and say, wow, somebody when be, I know that time I don't already they suspect Uche Mofo. That 2019. I don't, because the man they talk, you know they look camera. The man they yarn, you know they look camera. Come they wonder, say, man, show which kind of deputy to Nnamdi Kanu be this one. When they look up on the camera. You know, when they play game or wayo person they speak, then they know the person. Say, man, now wayo when this person they speak, even without speak, only your facial expression go even let people know, say, now wayo person where you be. Like this kind of people now, this group of people now, when don't come out, when they declare themselves, see, now them be leader. After they don't maybe take too much pepper soup. You know, so these people, they are seeking for attention, they are looking for money, and they are not going to lead anybody, and they are not leading anybody. Now only them with their family, this kind of people. They will not be seen, they will just come and say, oh, now we be the leader of Biafra. Biafra care. Which Biafra? Which Biafra? You not did there, you not did there when the kind of they root out ESN when they fight, when they take the fight all these terrorist people when they fall Biafran land. Waiting be that good thing when somebody like Asari Dokubo don't contribute to his own people, not to talk of Biafran people. Remember, say this guy, this Asari Dokubo, say big time saboteur, working for the Fulani people. That is why in my opening, I can tell and see the man, the Fulani people, brother, and Uche Mofo, brother. Uche Mofo get that guts to go align with Asari Dokubo. Even they come and they claim some certain things, but all those things when they claim, now in another video, when we will download everything to my viewers all over the world. Because all those things when Uche Mofo come and they claim, Asari Dokubo don't claim the same thing. Now they can don't tell them, say, look, if you not get any evidence of any claim, one of the claim, say I do this or I collect this from anybody, or yeah, bring out the proof to the public so that the world may see your claim as a right claim. So all those things, they don't already debunk them long time ago. Because Uche Mofo, after Asari Dokubo don't declare him as the secretary to their government where they form, because not be Biafran customary government where they form. All of us know who be our leader as Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So as this guy declare what he didn't declare, now so Uche Mofo come out, they talk some certain things when we say we don't already hear them before. The whole world already hear those things before. And then they speak without proof. They never speak one day and give us a proof to their claim. No time when they give us any proof to their claim. Now just with mouth, they will take castigate. After the castigation, they will just go relax for inside house. We need proof, Uche Mofo. Asari Dokubo. Anything when we say you they claim say you they seek, not be for the Biafran people. Already we know who all of them are be. All of them are they against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. To my viewers, I don't tell them say these people they cannot go to the length when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu don't reach. That is why it turned to serious enviness. I don't tell on before say even before Uche Mofo go meet Asari Dokubo when they begin concord within the concord. Even this their declaration, people don't let us know before. See, this thing will happen. So we don't tell they wait for them to declare this thing. So before una go do una hide and seek, una go know say some guys already did there before una. They don't see una plan. All this declaration na empty declarations. So any of una claim when una they claim about Mazen Nnamdi Kanu do this, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu do that. We not say make una they claim what una they claim, but they show us the proof. You claim and give us the proof. Anytime you come out, Nnamdi Kanu they give us proof of everything when in they tell us. Everything when in they enlighten Nigerian people. In they enlighten them with serious proofs. Serious evidence. Till today, people don't already realize say Buhari not there. Northerners don't already know say Buhari not there. As Nnamdi Kanu exposure, he show us the proof, see man, this man not there. Till today, we know say the man not there. Anything when Nnamdi Kanu they come and they tell people, in they make it clear, say, look, this one not the proof. Asari Dokubo got to give us the proof. Uche Mofo got to give us the proof. You and Asari Dokubo, una go hunt on yourself there. So they not say make you know they do anything when be Uche Mofo they do. They not say make you know they talk anything when they talk. But if you they talk, show us the proof. Even though say una show us the proof, no go make us live on the canon. So that una go that one go dey on our ear now very clear. All those things wey una dey yarn no go make, e no go even convince anybody, because we already know who all of una be, one after the other. If na genuine fight when Asari Dokubo and his friend when be Uche Mofona, because Uche Mofona don't turn to his friend, now his secretary, according to them, una go come together with Nnamdi Kanu. We don't preach this unity. This division no go help una at all. The only thing when una go do, because who big pass una don't big pass una, no matter what una go come talk in the public, when go convince anybody. Una no fit deceive anybody again in that country. So people eye don't clear. Not be before. Nnamdi Kanu they talk with proofs. Una they talk, make una they show us the proofs. We know who Emeka Sere be. We know who Uche Mofo be. We know who Asari Dokubo be. In fact, that is why this declaration not shake anybody. The FG and the governors, they call them a joke. Na joke when they call them. So, ladies and gentlemen, we go read a little bit to me see what Asari Dokubo talk here. He don't claim say nobody go ever stop them after he don't declare waiting in declare. We not know the Biafra when Asari Dokubo they talk about. We don't know the Biafra. Somebody when they claim say in love in one rule people. In they declare himself, ladies and gentlemen, as a leader. Not be people they tell and say you will be our leader. Now him come and say, now him be the leader of waiting then declare. In go build university in Cotonou when we Benin Republic, but he not build anything for him people. People when they say in one lead, and then they claim say in Nnamdi Kanu, we don't see waiting Nnamdi Kanu don't do for Biafran people. Nnamdi Kanu have done a lot for Biafran people. More than 8 years of Goodluck Jonathan and combined with the Buhari 5 years altogether. Nnamdi Kanu have done a lot for Biafran people. Nnamdi Kanu have sacrificed a lot for Biafran people. That is why people loved him. You cannot just come out from your bedroom and begin to declare yourself a leader of one thing. You have to wait. People have to love you. People have to appoint you. People have to say yes. Like as we claim now, say Nnamdi Kanu our leader. And so people suppose call you say yes, this man na him we want as our leader. Not be say you go just come out and begin to. Abina Buhari declare himself say na him be Nigeria. Declare himself say Buhari declare himself say na him be Nigerian president. Abi then claim say people vote for him. This question I want make Asari Dokubo and his friend when be Uche Mofo. All those things when they concord in the backyard, in the dark doors, when don't come open now, people don't tell us say he no go fly, go anywhere. Only Nnamdi Kanu, now him be that person when God don't ordain. Anytime when he open mouth say yes, Biafra has come. Now so people go take believe him and people go take begin follow him, because now the person when God don't already give the mandate to lead the Biafran people. Anyway, one see him, may you see him. All of them they look for money. All of them want make FG call on her, because it be like see on her pocket don't they dry. Most especially Uche Mofo, it don't think when that Uche Mofo eye they on money. Now it don't they open say Uche Mofo not love anybody in Biafra land. Now we don't know say Uche Mofo na traitor, na green snake under the green grass. So wait until people go appoint you. You know if you come appoint yourself as a leader. Nnamdi Kanu not just come and say "Nine be the leader." No, now people tell and say, look, we want you as leader. That's it. Make we read a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. Asari Dokubo declares self new Biafran body's leader. Name officers. A whole government now leave 3 officers named Nemu. Emeka Sare, the other guy, and Uche Mofo, plus him will be the leader. I won't say I won't take rule. Wait till I won't rule. It is Biafran a militant organization. A former militant leader, Asari Dokubo, has declared the formation of Biafra customary government. BCG. He announced himself. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, he announced himself as the leader of the new group, citing injustice and marginalization on the Igbo people found in various zones of the country as a reason for his aspiring for a better life for his people. He also announced that George Onyibe would be the secretary, while Emeka Sare would be in charge of the legal matters. This was contained in a statement issued by the head of information and communication of the customary government, Uche Mofo, on Sunday. This is funny, very, very funny. He added that they would proceed to set up provincial structures for the new government. Dokubo also noted that although the new Biafran government would not go to war, however, it would not be stopped. Nobody can stop us. Nobody can blockade us as they did in the first war. We are not going to fight any war with anybody. We are walking to freedom. We will not shoot any gun with them. They will prepare their weapon, but they will have nobody to kill with their weapon, he added. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell these people before. All this is what they do. Una won't destroy Nnamdi Kanu's agitation. But God first. Why they put God first in anything where you do? Now so you progress, ladies and gentlemen. Nnamdi Kanu a person when we say God dey within Nnamdi Kanu, because Nnamdi Kanu not live by his own power. He's not doing all this by his own power. There is a spirit, a very special spirit from heaven, from Elohim himself, when they guide Nnamdi Kanu. That is why you see he get many enemies. But as they come, so they go they fall, they throw away. That is why I tell Asari Dokubo, Uche Mofo say, all the whole claims, all of the claims, Nnamdi Kanu do this, Nnamdi Kanu do that. We don't hear all those things before. We don't debunk all those things before. Una not show any proof at all. Una not show us any proof of corruption. When Nnamdi Kanu do, Nnamdi Kanu is not a corrupt person. If not corrupt person, I'm not sure Nnamdi Kanu will reach the level when in reach today. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel that these people are too to come and scatter Nnamdi Kanu's agitation, because they see Nnamdi Kanu don't bring out ESN, he don't bring out this, he don't bring out that. They'll say, this guy will achieve this thing. Of course, Nnamdi Kanu must to lead his people to the promised lands by the special grace of God. Not be him power when they take the door like this people where they do everything na power. Who una one lead? I wonder who una one lead. I wonder who go open. I say Asari Dokubo when everybody know go be his boss or go be his leader. That's what I tell you. I say Nnamdi Kanu they put God first. That is why he stand firm. Anybody when they attack and that's so that they go. Then they come in millions, that's so that they fall. they throw away. So una go concord, una go tire, una go claim, una go tire. Everyone that they claim, we don't know all these things before. People don't know all these things before. The whole world don't know all this about all these things before. Say na fake claims against Nnamdi Kanu, including the people when they claim same said IPOB na terrorist organization. In fact, of course, the world knows say IPOB not be any terrorist organization. So Mofo na small thing. As soon as they gather, na small thing. The person when God don't ordain as a leader, God don't ordain him. There is nothing when una go fit do about it. This one a customary government now. Before you know, we no go hear am again. No, ladies and gentlemen, let me go begin watch the whole thing as it continues to unfold. Asari Dokubo say, na him be the leader of the customary government of Biafran land. In self-declare. So if una dey fight refight Uche Mofo and his friend Wemby Asari Dokubo plus Emeka Sere, una go call on the Kanu, come together, work hand to hand together, not be by honest coming together, unite together and bring in this Biafra. Because this one now is further show us say now destruction when the northern oligarchy they use Uche Mofo and Asari Dokubo to cause scatter Nnamdi Kanu, because they see Biafra don't reach ground. That is why you see they just recruit them again left and right. But una no go ever succeed. One love, everybody.